Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Instagram search suggestions. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in with your account. You need to follow the 2 steps to solve this problem. The first step is to go to your profile right here and then tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Next, tap on your activity from here. Now scrolling down, you'll get the option of recent searches. I don't have any recent searches, but if you do, just click on clear or clear all in the top right corner. Then tap on clear again, and basically this will delete all of your recent search history or all of the search history. Now let's move towards the second step. Go to settings and privacy and scroll down. Next, tap on help. Go to report a problem and continue without shaking the phone. Next, select don't include and continue. As you can see, we are now taken to this page right here where we need to write something like this to Instagram. Please delete search suggestions when I am typing on my Instagram app, as this is very annoying for my Instagram user experience. So you can write something like this to Instagram to remove this option. Then tap on send in the top right corner. Once you're done with these 2 steps, this will fix your problem. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.